Reading practice number 8. Mr. Edwards, as you will recall, 6 months ago, we had some misgivings about investing $20,000 in newspaper advertising for our anniversary series of dress patterns, period. I am glad to report that we made no mistake in our decision, period. Up to the present time, we have received more than 1,800 inquiries, and these inquiries have resulted in over 400 sales, period. Orders and inquiries are steadily arriving in great quantities, paragraph. Our newspaper advertising has been an extraordinary and unquestioned success, period. Under the circumstances, I suggest that we increase our newspaper advertising budget for next year, period. We should probably request $50,000 for this purpose, period. What is your opinion? Frank Long.